Welcome to HueTrition Live. I'm Monica, your host. I am the CEO and founder of HueTrition, and today I want to tell you how you can access your very own dietitian and chef online from your phone or your computer. That's right, you don't want to miss this. You do not want to miss HueTrition Live. We're rolling it out this year, brand new. It is our dedicated online space where you are able to access our chefs, dietitians, our live events with other people that have the same interests, as well as support groups. We're offering you for this year an all-inclusive subscription. If you go to HueTrition.com/shop and look under HueTrition Live VIP, you will see all the details. What it will include a HueTrition assessment, access to a monthly support group with our experts where you can ask questions and get advice, our own ebook, Colorful and Healthy Made Fun, that has been featured on the Times Square in New York City. You will get our HueTrition infographic that you can use as a tool, whether you're in your kitchen, office, on the run, and access to all of our events for the year. You heard it right, to all of our events. So for less than $10 a month, you will get all of this under the VIP subscription. So you don't want to miss it. Please do check it out, HueTrition.com/shop under HueTrition Live VIP. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do go and search for HueTrition on YouTube. Thanks for watching.